time to introduce you to some of the new faces which will be appearing on the new Rose to Riches show. And we have Carol Bauer and Paul Freethie. Good evening and welcome on board, guys.
Thank you very much. Thanks, Nimrod. It's a wonderful opportunity to be here. Hey, Carol. The opportunity to make people's dreams come true.
Absolutely. We truly are looking forward to making a difference in your lives on the all-new Road to Riches, where there's 2 new faces joining Nimrod and 4 new games, and it's going to be great fun.
There's also lots of new prizes as well, and every Saturday on the show, you'll stand an opportunity to take home 100,000 Rand in cash.
Oh, Paul, that sounds like a lot of money, and I'm sure a lot of you out there would love to win it, and this is how you do it.
It's quite simple. All you've got to remember is that number, 082-1777. 082-1777, die nommer om te onthou as jy eendag daai groot prys wil wen.
Well, guys, what can I say? You are really accomplished and doing your thing. Welcome on board. It's going to be wonderful working with you guys. And I know, respectively, you bringing new aspect to the show, fresh ideas to the show. We wish you all the best. Now, I go back to asibathatheni sibanikezeni uthando laba abanalo njengoba nisinikezile nathi. And now, let's see which draw machine and lottery ball set were earlier selected for tonight's live lotto draw.